Hi students, this is your choice activity for the week of Tuesday, September 8th through Friday. So we have a short 4-day week this week, but hopefully you'll try this fun activity. It's called Water Cycle in a Bag. So this activity is going to allow you to see the water cycle happening right before your very eyes. So if you don't know about the water cycle happens all the time, all around us. When water comes down to the ground and heats up, it evaporates and turns into steam and goes back into the sky, and then that process repeats itself. So when it rains and the ground gets wet, once the water is heated up, it evaporates into vapor, goes back into the clouds, and then can come back down as liquid, as water once again. So you're going to be able to see the water cycle right before your eyes when you do this activity. And you're going to need just a few materials. The first thing you'll need is a Ziploc bag to put your water in. You will also need a little measuring cup. It doesn't really matter what size, but just something so you can pour your water into the bag. And then you'll need tape. And you will optionally, you don't have to have these, but you can use blue food coloring for your water, and then a black or any permanent marker to decorate your bag, and I'll show you how. So the finished product will look like this. It's kind of hard to see, but I did draw a little sun and a cloud on there just for fun to make it kind of look more like the water coming down from the sky. So as you can see, my water is blue. You don't have to do blue food coloring. You can just do clear water. You'll still be able to see the water droplets on the bag. So the first thing you do is you fill up your measuring cup with water. Well, actually, before that, you're going to want to decorate your bags if you want to. So if you want to decorate your bag, you can draw a little sun on there and a cloud, however you want to do it. Once your bag is ready, you're going to fill up your measuring cup with water. And if you're using food coloring, put 4 or 5, maybe 3 or 5 drops of blue food coloring into your water, and you might need some help with the next part. So you're going to have your bag open, and then you might need some help having somebody pour the water into the bag. All right, so pour your water into the bag. Make sure it's sealed really tight. So press your fingers on it a few times to make sure it's really tight. And then the next step that you do is you get your tape and you tape it up on a window somewhere in your house, or it could be a glass door. You just get 2 pieces of tape for each corner and tape it up on your window. And I'll have a picture at the end of this video to show you what mine looked like. But that's about it. And then over the course of the next several days this week, you can record your observations either as a drawing in a notebook, or you can write down your observations and let me know what you noticed as the water cycle was happening right before your very eyes. I hope you enjoy this activity. Have fun and stay curious.